I'm good. Ready?
Yep.
Picking up the old snowmobile. This has only been sitting here for 15, 20 years. Might still run. Here we go. Whoops. Right over that piece is probably worth $1,000. Now we're moving the old sleigh. It's not even on the damn pallet. I'm gonna crush this. Good times. Can't use a single can. The old water tank. Used to wash the kids. Fill this up and put it out in the sun so we can have hot water. Then they invented what they call a water heater. Never heard of that.
stick one of those beams underneath there?
I think you should. Hey, Mike. We should make a cross beam at the top, so then you're supporting on several pieces, not just, you know, punch it right through the roof.
Yeah.
So I could set this back down. We can make a cross beam.
Let's do that.
Okay, I'll do that.
Land.
All right. We can do it. We just got to do it. Safety is about 4th on my list of things to do. I like the adventure of fear if that thing falls. We'll see what happens here. Pretty excited. Ready? Go.
Like screwing.
We got to get this underneath this. Go. You're going to have to get in there towards you. Get up towards you. That's good. I'll lift this up. All right, here we go. Ready? Going up a little bit. Get it straight. Get it as straight as you can.
Yep.
Is it straight up and down?
It's straight to the roof.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna come down. Get out of there. Get out of there. That's what I call looking good. It'll work. It'll work. That looks awesome.
We can put more supports in there now.
You could put more supports in there now.
Yep. Maybe a therapist.
I say you get that wood right there cleaned up.
Yeah, that should get
that can go in your pile over there and get that all cleaned up, and you should be all good to go.
Yeah.
And then I agree, another couple, and you could screw them to the sides.
Yep.
All right, the roof trusses. You can screw them right to the roof trusses. That will stay up. But now you got bags you can grab. You probably get those boards out of there.
Yep.
And then that area can be cleaned up. I say we bag and tag all this right here.
Yep.
A lot of nails sticking up, Mike. Every can has to be saved. It was up to the roof of this, and it all collapsed down to the first floor. Picking up the whatever that was in that field. Was that corn?
Yeah, we corn over there this year.